There are times to forget the hype and other times that you really need to believe the hype. And the Hypedome is one of those moments. Now, more than ever, it's important to enjoy our outdoor living spaces. In post-pandemic times, with restrictions in place, having a place in our backyard or garden is considered a must-have. Introducing the Hypedome. This space age, like dome, is a cost-effective and brilliant choice for those of us who enjoy spending time outdoors. Whether you want to enjoy beautiful sunsets, meditate, exercise, or simply chill out and relax. And there are commercial uses for the Hypedome, so stay tuned till the end of the video. There's also a discount code. Made from strong polycarbonate, which has the qualities of glass, you can duck for cover as and when showers unexpectedly arrive. Or you can enjoy that well-deserved evening meal in pleasant company. The Hypedome can be left up all year round or dismantled and stored away in the winter. And in terms of extreme weather, like too much sunshine, then a covering is available to block out the sun. And in terms of installation, if you can put up a tent, you will be able to put up the Hypedome. But installation can be provided. So, you do want to enjoy those long summer evenings in 2021? Makes me feel fine. In terms of commercial uses, the opportunities are limitless, be that for outdoor parties or exercise events, such as this community-led yoga event, which was held in Toronto last year. It provided a welcome and safe space, adhering to social distancing and other COVID-19 restrictions, and these individuals were able to detoxify and stretch doing the activity that they enjoy doing. In the UK, even Channel 4 has joined in on the Hypedome craze. The Taskmaster show used the Hypedome so that a number of contestants could perform some challenges. Having fun? Contact for the discount code Get Your Hypedome today.